Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. You are all warmly welcome, and I believe you are all doing great by the grace of God. Thanks for returning, and if it's your first time, thanks for stopping by. Family, today I share with you how I make my smoky coconut jollof rice, and it's so dope. It's the combination of two amazing jollof rice recipes on my channel, so you can just imagine this is so top notch. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm pairing this jollof rice with my turkey wings and they are nicely washed. I've added my chicken seasonings, all-purpose seasonings, curry powder. I'm going ahead to add my mixed herbs and chicken Cajun seasoning. I'm going ahead to add my dried rosemary and finally my fresh basil and salt to taste. I'm still not done yet. I'm going ahead to add my chopped scotch bonnet pepper because I want the heat in there. I'm adding my ginger, garlic, and red onions all chopped into pieces. We all can attest to the flavors that ginger, garlic, and the rest of the seasonings brings to the food. After adding the aromatics, I'll not add any water to the turkey yet. I'll let it release its own juice and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And then, guys, we will continue from there. So keep watching and go nowhere. I am back after 3 to 5 minutes. And now let's see what's happening here. So far, so good. I love the aroma. Wow. Now I'm stirring. You can all see that there's no water yet. But very soon, the turkey should release its own juice for it to simmer properly. The aroma is amazing. Wow. Once I'm done, I'm going to cover it up for it to simmer, as I said, to release its own juice. I'm back, and now let's check to see what is happening. Yeah, the turkey has released just a little amount of juice and it's fine. I'm going ahead to add water at this stage to make the broth. Now I'm going to leave the turkey for it to cook to perfection. It smells amazing, family. It smells so amazing. Let's cover it up and leave it for it to cook. Okay, so now let's go ahead and work on our vegetables. With the vegetables, I've got 2 sticks of celery that I'm going to wash and clean nicely. I've got scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, yes, and I've got ginger, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and the green bell pepper. I've also got fresh tomatoes, about 5 of them, and I've got the white and red onions, and I've also got spring onions. But unfortunately, the green part is all gone, but I'm still going to make use of it. So I'm going to wash and clean it nicely and cut all of them into pieces. See you in a bit. I'm back. I'm going to pour them into the roaster and drizzle some olive oil on them. And I'll put them in the oven for it to be roasted for about 5 to 10 minutes. But before they go into the oven, I'm going to add my natural aromatics, and they are star anise seeds, coriander seeds, anise seeds, and black peppercorns. I'm going to wash them and add them to the vegetables, and then they'll go into the oven to be roasted. So now finally, let me drizzle some olive oil on the vegetables and seasonings. Wow. Before they go into the oven. Now our turkey wings are ready, and I'm going to separate them from the broth before I fry them. This smells so heavily, so incredible. I'm loving this, family. I'm so loving this. Amazing. So after separating the turkey broth from the turkey wings, I'll put the turkey broth on the side and I'll use it later on when making the stew. It's now time to fry the turkey wings, and into the oil I've added my onions, fresh basil, green scotch bonnet pepper, and green cardamom pods because I want to infuse their flavors into the oil, and I'm adding the turkey wings. Already it's smelling amazing and I cannot wait to take a bite. This smells so nice. Now let's turn the turkey wings over and make sure both sides are all fried nicely. And we want to achieve a color like this. And this is so beautiful. So very soon, the turkey wings should be out of the oil, and then I'll repeat myself with the rest of the turkey wings until they are all completely fried like this. This is so beautiful. Wow, isn't it? It's amazing. You never go wrong when you infuse some aromatics into the oil you are using to fry your turkey, your chicken, or your fish. This is so incredible. Repeat the same process until the turkey wings here are also fried nicely and golden brown. This looks so good and is the color I'm going for. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to take a bite. So amazing. Gradually, we are progressing and it's time to make our stew. And I'm using some of the same oil that I used to fry my turkey wings. It smells so good. I'm adding a little bit of ghee oil. I will then add 2 pieces of salted tilapia and salted beef into the oil, and I'll fry them until they are golden brown. I'll let them infuse their flavors into the oil, and then I'll go ahead and add my onions. So guys, keep watching, go nowhere. It's very interesting. You will love it. I love the color. It's so golden, beautiful. It smells so good. This is going to be an amazing stew for our jollof rice. So guys, go nowhere. I'm adding my red onion. Again, I'll keep stirring. It smells so good. I'm gonna head to add my tomato paste. And yes, I'll still keep stirring and stirring and stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes. And by that time, if my tomato paste has any sourness in it, it should be gone so that my stew can taste great. And this part is very, very important. Okay. So now I'm going ahead to also check on my roasted vegetables. And yes, they are good. I'll let them cool down before I blend them. I love the aroma. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, let them cool down first before you blend them. I am back to check on my stew, and family, the flavor is so heavenly. Just imagine the flavors of both the salted beef and tilapia. There you go. I'm adding my blended vegetables and seasonings. Wow. Family, so far, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on this video. Don't forget to share for others to see what I'm doing here. And also, don't forget to recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. And I will really appreciate that. And if you are new on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to join this amazing family. I'm now adding my tuna in sunflower oil, and again, I'll start to combine everything nicely and beautifully together. And then I will leave it for it to simmer for about 5 minutes. I will then go ahead and grate in some nutmeg, just like so. And then I'll add my final seasoning, which is jollof rice seasoning. I love this brand so much. It makes my jollof rice super amazing. As usual, you start to combine everything nicely and beautifully together. And make sure your seasonings are evenly distributed. And this time, check if your salt is okay. If not, add some salt to taste. And again, you start to combine everything nicely together and spread the salt content evenly. I'm adding my coconut milk and stir again to combine everything beautifully together. Wow, I love the aroma already. The pleasant and savory taste of the coconut milk in the stew is so top notch. I'm loving this. I will let the water dry out a bit, about 90%, and then I'll go ahead and add my turkey broth. Here we go. This is so thick, and I love the beautiful aroma. As usual, you stir to combine nicely together. Family, we are almost there, so go nowhere. Don't give up yet, okay? We are finally getting to the end of the video, and I'm going to scoop some of the stew on the side because it's too much for the rice that I'm going to use for the jollof rice, okay? So I'll save some of the stew and then I'll use the rest for the jollof rice. This stew is so well cooked. Family, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. And if you are new here, please subscribe to join this amazing family and you will never ever regret it. Okay? Don't also forget to click on the bell button to receive updates whenever I upload new videos. I have added the rice, and to get non-stick green rice, make sure the rice is well washed. Wash the rice thoroughly until the water is clear before you add it to your stew, and this will help you get a non-stick green rice. I hope it's clear here. So now just mix together nicely and gently. Now let's cover the rice for the water to dry out, and let's do this using a low temperature. Don't add too much water at this stage or else the rice will be soggy and you wouldn't like it. So now we will need only the heat to help us cook the rice to perfection and not water. Now cover the rice tightly to trap all the heat that you need to help cook the rice perfectly for you. We are back and look at that. We are almost done cooking this rice and it's about 90% cooked and it smells so amazing. I can see the fried salted tilapia. I can see the fried salted beef. This is so incredible. The aroma is so pleasant. Family, I wish you were here. This smells so, so good. I'm adding my mixed vegetables. And of course, I'll mix it up together with the rice nicely. Wow, this is so, so good. Yum, yum, yum. Hmm, my goodness. Family, so far, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment on this video. Don't forget to share for others to see what I'm doing here. Spread the word. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if it's your first time, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to join this amazing family. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive notification whenever I upload new videos. Okay, now let's see how things are going with the rice so far. Mmm, this is amazing. The aroma is so on point. I'm loving this. And I love how the rice is. It's so single grain, it's not thick, it's not soggy. Perfecto. Wow, family, for more videos like this, please follow your girl on Instagram. Like and follow me on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for us to build this amazing family together. I hope you've been inspired and you give this dope jollof rice recipe a try. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care. Food is ready. Wow, short time. Yes, friend. Enjoy. Bye all. Kiss. Mwah.